we love diamond tea. Do you know why we love it? Because it's a Canadian company. Their product is made in Montreal in their own factory. Mr. John Swade is the owner of the company for, I don't even know how many years, but I think more than 40. Such a proper company, so easy to work with, so loyal, such a good quality product, fabric, cuts, everything. So we want you to know it. We want you to get to know it and for you to love it as much as we do. So I'm showing you diamond tea we can wear around the house, but we can even use it as a robe de chambre, like they say in French, or just to go out like a dress over a bathing suit to sleep in. It's so comfortable, it washes, and their only problem is that they last too long. You cannot finish a diamond tea product. It's such a good quality. So there are a lot of different styles that you can choose from and different colors. And I wanted to present it to you and get you to know it and to love it for as much as we do. So there are a lot of products like this one that you can wear around the house, as I mentioned, but there are robes, either short with short sleeve, or long with short sleeve, or long with long sleeves. There is something for everybody in all the colors, in everything. Please check out our store or look online, and I know you'll absolutely love their products. Bye.